Hello, in this video I will try to demo the meta class in Python. So let's move on. I create a new module named 04 meta class. Yeah. So you can see the class. We define a class test and we do nothing. Print test that now will be test is type object print test and type test. Yeah, test will be class and type of test is type. So now we will initiate a new object of test. Nothing. So now print test object and type of that object. Yeah, that object is object with memory address, and type of test is the test class. Then we have the hierarchy like that. Object type of object is the class, and type of class is type. Yeah. Okay. So for function, what is for function? For function, we have diff function ABC do nothing, none, and if we try to print type function A, as you can see, this one should be the class of function. Okay, so what is type of class? What is type of class? Is type but we can define type of class by this way. For example, we have class name type2 type, and we can put the name type2, and this one is by default is object, so we can leave the top. This one is top blank, and list of attribute can put empty, then this one is equivalent to class type 2, and we pass. And type 2 is class of type 2. Yeah, type 2 is class, and type of type 2 is a type, and we can initiate a new object in type 2 here, or we can put some parameter here. For example, I equal to 222, and we can initiate that I. This one is a 222, and we can type 2 is done. It's empty. Type 2. Okay. So yeah, we can type 2 attributes try to initiate and teach. Try to dig is 0. Oh, okay. So what if we define try to teach this one is the attribute of class, not the attribute of instance. So this one should be equivalent to type 2, and we define I is 222 here, and this one you can see attribute type 2 here. Class attribute of instance. to initial and dot tick, and we can print bring the key, and we change this one to set, not in set, to instant, key. We find the attributes in class, any attribute in class, but not in attribute in instance. So let's see what happened. Yeah, now we can see in class we have dog module A is visible in class with reference and ditch. Okay, then yeah, so can define this one now. This one is first is type name, it should be class name, and to the second parameter is to base class, inheritance class, and attribute of class. Yeah. Two. Okay. So now we can hook in the creation the class to maybe modify the behavior, to modify the behavior initials creation class. For example, we can make a class meta hypercode is type of inherit from the type. So in Metaclass we can hook the initials, the logic in initials creation of class, and we use new, this one, new first parameter is the cell is class. Class name cell is meta in its mean type object, and class name and base method and attribute in the previous answer. So now we can wait for Metaclass. Can hook in here and we can make to the class name. Maybe we can class name maybe we upper. Then we can control and modify the logic when create new type class, and maybe we can modify the attribute. For example, attributes default, and we can move the new. This one is default. Attribute we make underscore my attributes. Maybe we put 1, 2, 3, and we can return type class name. This one we can return the object with the new with the modified parameter for initial. Class name and base. We not modify base, and we put in new dictionary of attribute here. So this the methods is using for initiate the instance of class. This one is initiate class type or definition. We can hook in the creation of class type, and this one is initiate object of the class, and cell is the object cell is a equal 444. And now we can make some class like this. Class Python code with meta class is meta code. This one. So in initiate, yeah, we can pass and can Python code. I think we can define some C is hello. Maybe we can define function Python. Maybe we return something. Yeah. Then Python code, we initiate Python code with nothing, and we attribute bring Python codes. Attributes of object Python code can teach. Yeah. Can debug to change which is the breakpoint will run first, and you can see which value in here. So you can break. Yeah, the meta code run first, and this meta class will run first, and they will extract the information for class definition to put in class name, base, and attribute dictionary. For example, we can see class name it should be Python code here, and yeah, let me put in here. Okay. New page Metaclass here. Yeah. I went to no. Okay. Yeah, meta code here. Meta code here, meta class here, then this one will be mapped with name, so name, base, we don't, base is empty, object should be empty default, and attribute is one of them. this one, this one, this one is packed in attributes dictionary. And this one, attribute debugger, put in here. We have B, C, and function Python here is pointed to the codes, the logic code in here, and you can see we can match, and we need to match. Yeah, okay. Class name, okay. Now we upper the class name, then Python code. Be not upper. Class name here. Python code. I got here is a type, return new class name here. Here in this Metaclass. This one should be moved to the yeah. This one is attribute for instance a Python code class. Then we attach a attribute in when we initial. So this one is should be 444, and we can Python code can to set to B. This is for 2, and we get set to C here. Okay. Yeah. Then my question is attribute class, where we can Python code object attribute. Yes, that's attribute, but my attribute is belong to class level ties 3 and class and this one. Yeah, this one is attribute of class level. Instance level can refer to class level. Okay, this one is class level. My question is, what is cell? What is cell? Cell is metadata equals class. What is cell? Identify cell is meta class. This one is instance of class type, not instance of object. Attribute. This one is instance level. Yeah, you can hope it's a new thing. So yeah. Print Python codes. My attribute. So it's okay. Python codes. Yeah, this one is should be 1, 2, 4. So now we can see we have ties. We have ties, and we have meta class. This one is a types, and from Metaclass we make a class. This one is a class, and from class we got the object Yeah, so in from the meta class we can use to hook some value attribute, for example, or do something to make class, and maybe we modify new thing in dictionary of class, and the object can refer to new to dictionary of class level, and maybe object have another dict for its attributes. So this one is class dict. Class dict. Class dict attributes. This one is to change the color. Is object dict attribute. So this one is a level object. This one is object level. This one is class level. Then yeah, okay, thank you for watching.